How to fix Instagram following stuck on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First open settings and go to storage and then click clean up. Now this one for Android phones, then just you need to find junk files or cache and then just click clean up. And if you have an iPhone, just uninstall your Instagram and install it again, and then restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now it means that you need to update your Instagram. So just go to Play Store or App Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. And then I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.